Good morning. Welcome back to another edition of the Learning Investor. We don't know everything, but we're learning. This morning, by request, we're looking at making my homemade Mocha Frappuccino. Do you like chocolate milkshakes? Do you like coffee? How would you like the both of them to be together, to combined? Do you need a little pick-me-up? Well, maybe you'll like this. So, basically, I'm just using a little cup of ice, some milk, just some regular milk, some homemade espresso. I need to make some more. And then this right here, chocolate syrup, chocolate squirt. So first of all, and this is going to be loud, so I try not to talk when it's loud so you can understand what I'm saying. So anyway, so let's get to it. So, ice goes in the blender. And let's see, little ninja. This is going to be very loud, so close your ears. Okay, that should be good enough. So any extra little ice on it, there we go. All right, so now, next, we're gonna put in our milk. And I put in about that much milk. It's probably about a third of the cup. Or you can use however much milk you want. And I pour in a little bit more. There we go. Well, some of it dripped out and made a mess. Okay. I'll clean up that mess in a minute. And then the same thing with my espresso. Some people say that I put too much coffee in my Mocha Frappuccinos and they're not sweet enough. But you can put as much coffee as you want. So I need something to wake me up this morning. So I put more coffee. Matter of fact, that's all of my espresso. I need to make some more. And then I will rinse this. Clean up as I go a little bit. And then it's time for the flavoring. Chocolate. 3 should be good enough. Okay. I'm gonna put the top back on it. There we go. And then I kind of shake it up a little bit. Just a preliminary thing. Get the ice and stuff down at the bottom. And now, this is gonna be loud again. So, heads up. Actually, yeah. Make it where it has kind of the same consistency. And then I'll take the top off. And it's still got some left in there, so. There we go. Get some of that extra stuff down in there. And grind it back up again. Now let's see what we look like. Oh yeah, see? All nice and same consistency. And then rinse it off. So, get it ready for the next time. And then I pour it back in the same cup that I had the ice in. And I'll do it over the sink because sometimes it makes a mess. All right, there we go, a full cup of Mocha Frappuccino. Oh, I rinse this out and get it ready to just move this over here. Get my stuff ready for next time, so that way I won't have to clean it when I go to use it. Just like investing, you do stuff early to make tomorrow easier, better. So, get a little straw. There we go. And there you go. Homemade Mocha Frappuccino. I got a little mess there too. I had to clean that up. So, thank y'all for watching. So, stay tuned for another video coming out soon. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you like what you see. Talk to y'all later. God bless.